Subscribers. Today we're going to do the hot Cheetos fried pork chops mukbang, and we're going to have salad. I got my little buddy here today, Kool-Aid, and he want to do it with me. So we're going to dig in. I'm putting my flaming hot Cheetos fried pork chop on the plate, and going to give Kool-Aid one. Look at them. They came out really good. And we're going to have a nice tall salad. Yes. Want a salad dressing? Okay. Going to be delicious.
He's some force though.
I got it. Here's a fork for you. On your salad. And here's a fork for me.
That's good. That's good. I'm for digging for food.
Amen. Yes. Oh, we're digging in. Well, I want to taste the flaming hot Cheetos fried pork chop. Like I said, they're not spicy, whereas though you taste the spiciness from the hot Cheeto. They are delicious and they're so tender. Nah, the salad is good. It's good? You like it? We also had got us a water and put a shake drink in it. Nas has green apple. And I had Jolly Rancher cherry. Wow. I need a tissue. Well, I spilled the juice on me. Well, I'll clean up after a minute. Nah, this is good, isn't it? Really delicious. The fried pork chop is so tender. It's so tender. I love it. This is delicious. And I'm glad I didn't use the flour. I used the flour when I did the fried ribs. But these pork chops are delicious. And so tender. Salad's delicious. Look at Nas. He was scrubbing. You like it? You're gonna see if your mom can make something like that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Nanny wants some pork chops because he had.
Y'all gotta try it. The flaming hot Cheetos fried pork chop.